So in this video we are going to look at getting started navigating wiring diagrams, and today I have a Volkswagen Golf 6 wiring diagram which I want us to take a look, navigate and see how symbols are situated, wiring color codes, power flow and different other features within wiring diagrams. Okay, let's get started. We have a wiring diagram here, so let us first of all locate power sources, see different wire color coding, different symbols and so on. So what we have here is ABS sensor wiring, ABS control module, fuses and relays. So as we see here, let us start with wiring. Let us see this RT. So this is the naming of this red wire. You can see it here, RT and its gauge. So this is a German car, it's a Volkswagen car, and most of these wiring terms are derived from short forms of what their colors mean in German. For example, red in German means rot, so that's why you're seeing abbreviation is RT. If we come to this wire, it is a brown wire. We have SW for this black wire. So the reason why they abbreviate it to SW is because black in German means Schwarz, so that's why you're seeing that abbreviation. Okay, so when you come to this wire has two colors. It has yellow and red, so it is RT/GE. GE is an abbreviation for yellow, which means gelb in German. So this wire has RT, which is red, and WS white. This is the SW black and violet. We have black, brown and so on. So this is SW and green, black and green and so on. So this is how they are labeling their colors, and even in their description here they give you a brief annotation of what their colors mean. Okay, so the next thing I want us to do is trace out different symbols. So this diagram we have, first of all, we have a relay. We have a relay here. What else do we have? We have a fuse. This is a fuse here. I think this is also a fuse. So as you see here, this is SB. In their annotation we can see here SB is the fuse panel B. Here we have this transistor icon. If you come here, we see what J104 is. This is the ABS control module. So this is a control module. This basically means that the transistor is within the module. So this annotation here, which points this side, this means that the wiring diagrams continue to the next page. So this is why you see it when you go to the next page. This one says that it is continued from the previous page. So this is what basically means. Okay, so what else can we note? We can see connected points. So these are connected points. You can see them here. We have points that meet. Let us look for that for a point that meets but is not connected. Okay, you can see it here. Okay, you can see it there. Let me look for a connector. So this is a connector symbol here. Okay, what else can we look for? Let me go to the next page. Okay, this is a wire that passes through the other, but they are not connected. Okay, passes past, not through. Okay, let us go. We see here, so these are our loads. I think you can see G45. If you come here, G45 is the right front ABS wheel speed sensor, 46 is the left rear ABS sensor and so on. So we can also trace for power sources. I think I can see it here, our A, which is the battery from the explanation here. What else can we trace for? Okay, we have this motor symbol. We can see this is V64. We come here. Okay, our pump. This is a valve symbol. If you come here, you have N101 is the inlet valve. ABS inlet valve and so on. So you can see different symbols. Okay, let's go to the next page. These are connecting points. We can see our CAN low and CAN wires here. So if you are tracing for CAN wires that are coming from the ABS control module, you can trace them from their wiring. This wire is orange and a brown, and then for CAN high is orange and a black. Okay, so basically this is how you can trace different components in the wiring diagram. Okay, let us look for different switching points like the relay. Here you have a relay, you can see it here, and this relay basically has 4 points. We have this point 4 of 85, this point 6 of 85, we have this point 30 and 87. So basically 87 goes to the load, this black wire. 30 comes from has power that comes from the battery. I think you can see it like how power is coming like this to our point 30. Okay, we have point 87 goes to the load. Then this is a switching point. Okay, that's the switching point in the relay. So basically, if you do not know how a relay works, we did make a video about this in our past modules and our YouTube channel. So basically, this relay, when you energize this coil side, an electromagnetic field will be created, and the switching point here will close. So meaning when they close, power will flow from the battery to our load, which will be situated along this wire. Okay, we also have these are connected points. This is B163. You can come here and see what it's labeled. This is the positive connection, the interior wiring harness. Okay, let us go to the next page. Okay, so this next page is continued from this previous page. We can also try viewing how these are situated. So this is an ABS relay, and these are usually the pinouts. So if you're looking for different pinouts, you can see their color codes. This is blue, red, this is gray, this is blue. Okay, so these are the loads, these are the sensors. So if you're troubleshooting a sensor, you can easily sketch out, or you can easily understand which wire is connected to that sensor, black, green, and so on. So the beauty with the Volkswagen is that they even have their this part where they give you a brief overview of what some of their symbols mean, which is not the case for some manufacturers. Okay, let us continue. We can see this is a switch, and if you check out E492 is E492 tire pressure monitoring display button. So this is a switch, this is a lamp, all bulb symbol. If you look for L76 is L76, the push button illumination bulb. So you can see how different symbols are situated. So if you understand symbols, if you understand how wires are labeled, how power flows, it is always easy to understand or to start reading out these wiring diagrams. Okay.